From the Quick Actions menu, you can effortlessly browse your menu by category. Simply find an item, like this burger, to add it to the cart. You can instantly adjust the quantity with the plus or minus buttons, ensuring every single order is perfectly accurate. Easily manage your order totals by applying or removing discounts, with the price updating in real time. Adding more items is just as simple. Select them from the menu and watch as the system automatically recalculates the total due, eliminating any manual math or guesswork. Need to adjust a price? You can apply an item-specific discount right from the cart. This gives you valuable flexibility while maintaining control over your base menu pricing. To finalize the order, click Pay and then submit the transaction. Clear confirmation messages appear and the screen resets, getting you ready for the next customer in seconds.